Okay, now you take this beauty blender, mine's dirty because it was in a makeup bag, and you just blend, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god. Ow! Oh my god, y'all, I just stabbed myself in the eye. And I got highlight too. That's like my favorite part. Hey y'all, okay, so I'm gonna do a little makeup tutorial. I'm gonna attempt to do this tutorial, you know, well, it's not a tutorial. I'm just gonna show y'all, you know, how I'm doing this makeup, but got my makeup, you know, some of it's old, some of it's new. I'm gonna be using this. I know my camera is backwards, but oh well. Okay, so just take this, put some on my hand like that. I don't have a brush, so I don't know nothing about eyebrows, so okay. What they call that foundation? Yep, got a foundation on. Oh, it matches my skin. Good. Okay. Next we have this concealer. Yep, it's concealer. Cream concealer. Yep. So I see people put this on their eyes. Like that. I do not know what I'm doing, so I don't even know if this is gonna come out looking okay. It looked like it was lighter than me, so probably should have got a lighter one. Just rub it under your eyes and you put one right there. Ooh, it probably was too much. Okay. Next, I got this thing right here. I don't know how this is gonna look. Let's try. Oh my gosh, y'all, I do not know nothing about makeup. They put it like up here. Oh my god. Okay, now you take this beauty blender, mine's dirty because it was in a makeup bag, and you just blend, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god. Ow! Oh my god, y'all, I just stabbed myself in the eye. And I got highlight too. That's like my favorite part. It's gonna look better when I do like my eyes. Like the makeup on my eyes. Gotta blend that out some more. Oh my god, y'all, my eye burning. I stabbed myself on the eye. I guess it don't look too bad. But I might ruin my makeup because I might start crying because I stabbed myself in the face. Next, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna go under my eyes. I'm so scared I'm gonna poke myself again. Cute. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna take this purple color right here and put that on my eyes. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm doing. Next, I'm gonna take this black and try to make like a, I don't know, make it like dark on this side. Oh my god, I don't know what this is gonna look like. Y'all get what I'm trying to do, right? I don't want to look like I got a black eye now. But I'm trying to make it look darker on the outside and lighter on the inside of my eye. See? Something kind of like that, but oh no! Okay. Alright, so I took this like white color right here and I put that like right here. Okay, next I'm gonna do that thing where you put like, I feel like this isn't dark enough. I feel like it's not dark enough.
Got you another one.
Next, I got this mascara. Put that on my eyes. Put it on this eye. I know my wing is ugly, y'all. Like, I tried. I really did. I really did. Okay, y'all. I think I'm gonna use this color. Yeah, I'm gonna use this color. Put that on my face. Not on the parts I made lighter. I forgot about that. But just everywhere, put that on my face. I'm like mixing two colors because I feel like that color is perfect if I mix it together. Next, I got that highlight. So I'm gonna put a little bit right there. And a little bit right here. And this is my little makeup tutorial. Well, not tutorial, but you know, it's my little look. Well, I'll see y'all in my next video. It's my first attempt at doing my makeup, so bye y'all.
You see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was counting out like last week.